So now that we've got the enemy and the bullets moving, it's time to put the player character in motion. So first we're going to grab this point towards mouse pointer, and then let's go down to control and slip a forever in there. Alright, so we've got, it's always going to be pointing towards the mouse pointer. You can see what that does now. Pretty nice. And the next thing we want is when key is pressed, we're going to do a WSAD setup, which is pretty normal these days. W S A and D. So what we're going to do is okay, so D is going to be change X by 10. That goes to the right. See? And then we want change Y by 10 for W. We want change Y by negative 10 for S. And we want change X by negative 10 for A. Now, I should say up front that this is not the smoothest of controls. I'm sure there's a better way to do it where it has smooth acceleration instead of just, jumping itself like that. Now, the next thing we need to fix, as you can see, is the balls still shoot from dead center. So let's do that next. So what we need to do here is create two more variables. It's going to be player X and player Y. And we are going to set those. So set player X, set player Y to dot, which is our player characters, X position and Y position. And let's move that inside the forever loop so it's constantly updating. Now we got these displays again. We don't want these, so let's just hide them. Now on the ball, all we're going to change is this go to X0, Y0 to say go to X player X and go to Y player Y. Now that should fix it. Let's give it a try. Yep. Okay. So one last thing. You see the balls on the edge are just staying there forever. So let's go ahead and fix that. What we want to do is make the balls disappear after a certain amount of time. So let's go to events and set when timer is less than 0.75 seconds over here, and then delete this clone. If it doesn't hit a star, it's just taking too long and sitting around. And to make this fully work, we got to put a reset timer in here. So let's give this a try now. We're just gonna shoot balls to the edge of the screen, and now you see they're disappearing. That's exactly what we want. Alright, thanks for watching.